today I am working on Ariel's peasant dress. So I'm using part of a pattern from Mood, the Ella peplum top. I'm not doing the peplum, although I might use the peplum at least for the waist measurement for the pattern, but I haven't decided. I might just do a pleated skirt, but I'm working on that. I already did the lining. My plan is to bag line and then sew down the boning channel. Sew down some boning channels on the, actually I'll probably sew down the boning channels on this fabric first with the seam allowances. And then I will bag line. I'm probably gonna do a zipper for this, but and I'm gonna attach the skirt to this. So this will just be a sleeveless dress, essentially, and then we'll wear that over a white blouse with kind of peasant-y sleeves. That's the plan. Okay, Ariel's peasant dress is nearly done. I have attached the skirt, which I pleated, to the bodice. All I have left to do is do the closures, which I'm going to do hooks and bars because that will give me the most flexibility, because I can always, move a bar if I need to make it a little bigger or a little bit smaller. I tried it on her, and though I made it to her measurements according to the pattern I used, it ended up a little too big. So I'm going to have a decent amount of overlap, which is good because that makes it more versatile. Like I said, I can move hooks or bars if I need to for someone else to wear it in another production. I just did a whip stitch to attach the lining down over the skirt. See, the shiny side is on the inside because I thought it looked more peasant-y to have the less shiny side on the outside. She needs some ironing, but I'm excited, and yeah, she's almost done. I'm happy with how it's turned out.